is a 1965 C10. My dad bought it in 1968 when I was 7 years old. Bought it to drive back and forth to work at the post office. Grew up in it as a kid, had a camper on it. We used to go fishing and sports travel. But had A1 Auto Body out of Broken Arrow, Oklahoma redo it for me. It's got lots of mods. Interior was done by Justin Stevens up in Salt Lake City at the Kindig shop. He did a phenomenal job, as did A1 Auto Body on the rebuild. It's kind of a tribute to my dad. The little add-on mailbox trailer I added in August. My dad was a mailman for 37 years, and he used to deliver mail, have to sort mail pre-computers. That's a picture of my dad there on the back of the door, him from 1958. And he worked for the post office delivering mail and for 37 years. And so my high school was the Buffalo. I drove it all through high school and college, so hence I named it the Buff. Kind of everybody thinks it's called the Buff because of the color.
There it is, the Buff.
But the Buff. And then when I added the trailer, I had to call it the Buff Express. So, but anyway, it's quicksand is the color, and it was originally fawn, the original tan color, when my dad bought it. So it's got an LS7 in it with crate motor, 4L70E transmission. All of the inner fenders were custom done by A1 Auto Body out of Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. It's got Eddie Motorsport hinges, vintage air, classic instrument gauges. I could keep naming. It got intro wheels, intro steering column. So it's a family heirloom. I appreciate you taking the time, listen to it, take a look at it.
Thank you, Mr. Donnie.
All right, thanks a lot. Talk to you later.
Appreciate you.